Where is that 10 millimeter? Where you at? Where you at? That 10 millimeter should be around here somewhere. Dang. Oh, how y'all doing? What y'all doing down there? Come here for a minute. Oh, what's up? Hey, is this the TNT game?
No.
Boy, that's so trashed up, man. God, delete this stuff, man. God. TNT gang, what? Poppin', what's going on, TNT gang? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, man, we got something a little special, man. First of all, I want to say, man, it's been good to see you guys 4 days in a row, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, this is something that I really enjoy, just going through the simple steps that I got going on, in my daily life with working on my cars. Man, I usually don't include this type of stuff, like, me getting some parts and opening the boxes. But I want to bring you guys along. Oh, let me fix my camera, man. Hold on. But I wanted to bring you guys along, man, just to let you guys see, the day-to-day process that I go through, trying to do this stuff on these cars. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. But first, I want to address this. Why is my whiteboard doing the Harlem Shake over here, man? I mean, can y'all see this? This thing ain't even flat on the darn wall. Is it that cold outside? Look at that. Man, look at this. What is going on? But hey, we're gonna still make it work, man. Make it do what it do. But man, that is crazy. But that's not the topic of today. We got some parts for the C10, y'all. Hopefully y'all ain't gonna see none of my address down here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod so y'all can see me open this. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? I'll open some, your boy. Ooh, I can't never get a package and not open it, y'all. But I'm gonna set y'all up and then we're gonna open up these boxes. All right, let's go. Oh, all right, guys. I'm gonna get down here on the floor, man. That's just how my tripod is. The first thing I got, first of all, I want to give a big shout out to my little brother Chris, man. He sent me all this stuff. He said, we're going to get this truck done. That's something Mom would want us to do, man. Big shout out to Chris, man. Hey, I love you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you really, really being behind me and believing in your brother. Man, I don't want to get too soft and mushy, but I appreciate you, Chris. And let's continue to open this stuff up. A lot of this stuff is little knick-knack stuff. I got the majority of the stuff to finish up the truck. Really, I just got to paint it and, just make that wood band in the back. But, we got little stuff like this, like the little accents, if y'all can see, on the side for the little side markers. I don't know if I'm going to keep the little chrome on there, but we'll see about that. And I'm too old to get in Indian style, y'all. So y'all, please forgive me. Yeah, like the other side. You just got both sides, which is lit. Everything we do around here is lit, cuz you know how we do. I already opened this one too. Woo. All right. I already know what we got. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be act like I'm too surprised, because I've already looked at it, man. Got the tail lights, brand new tail lights back there. It's really gonna look good with the brand new paint that we're gonna put on there. You know, we got the trim piece that I ain't gonna keep that. That look kind of cheap. But we actually got the whole assembly, man. They got it coming with some screws. Maybe we could put some LEDs back there. I think that'll be lit. What y'all think? LEDs? Yeah. We just got the other one in there. All right. Now we got this box. The heck? Why don't you want to open, cuz? And we got the headlight bezel. As you can see, it's not the chrome one. Y'all see, I got the custom deluxe, so it's the big light on top and then the small one on the bottom. I wish I could do the 4 rectangular lights, but yeah, I couldn't do it. You know, you can't do it without changing out the whole front clip. Your boy ain't finna do all that. So I'm staying with the custom deluxe headlight bezels. And I got them this color because I'm gonna color match it. I'm gonna paint these the same color. I'm gonna paint the truck. So it's gonna be a little different. It's not gonna be chrome like most C10s, man. You know, Tony gotta put his own little twist on it, man. You know, I can't be like everybody else. Yeah, this is another bezel. And what we got here? Oh yeah, we got the bottom lens. Got the bottom lens for the headlight bezel. Boy, it's like it's Christmas. Ain't even my birthday, y'all. But you know, y'all get the gist. I don't think that's the right one, but y'all get the gist. It fit up in there pretty good. Let's see. I think that might be it, guys. A little quick box opening. Oh, I'm too old for all this, y'all. Oh. But yeah, hey, what else do I got, man? I got some door weather stripping. I got some molding that I got that's brand new. All of that stuff is over there. I know Pop's getting irritated with all that over there. And y'all see the dashes over there. The next video after this one will be the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fabric on there and do the resin and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna go by Sprayway's video. And you know, if you guys wondering why I haven't done it yet, it's because it's been too cold, y'all. Y'all see what it did to my whiteboard, man. It's been extremely cold out here. So I'm not gonna, you know, try to put the resin on there and it might not dry or it take forever to dry. I wanted to get it to where it get a decent temperature outside and then we can finish up the dash. I know y'all waiting on it. I'm waiting on it too because I'm ready to get this thing done and put it back in the truck. But yeah, I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. I just want to do this quick box opening so y'all can see what your boy got. Got some new pieces, got some new trim pieces. Really pretty much everything is accent pieces because everything else is going to pretty much get fixed as I, you know, continue to drive it and do all the other stuff. But you know what I'm saying? I think that's it, y'all. All right, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. Hit all so you can get all the notifications that we got. Because you know I'm bringing the bangers, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing them hopefully Monday through Friday. I'm going to do my best. And I'm going to try to do a live stream Saturday. So make sure y'all put y'all notifications on. I don't know exactly what time it'll be, but I should post it on my IG. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go down there in the description. It'll show you exactly what my Instagram is, TNT_garage19. Go Go check your boy out. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed week. All right, y'all. Peace. Man, where is that? Where is that 10 mil? 10 millimeter? Man, where is it? Oh, man, I didn't see you guys there. How are you doing? How are you doing?
Come on, man.
Oh my gosh, that was trash.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.